Today's work focused on cleaning up the AI assistance layer after yesterday's larger build. The goal was not to add more visible panels everywhere. It was to make the useful parts easier to find, make suggestions clearer, and keep unfinished or operations-only tools away from the regular user flow. Several editable fields now have a small suggest action near the field itself. It can help with circle names, circle descriptions, text used when setting up a fork, profile display names, bios, and local circle aliases. The suggestion stays local to that field, follows the same length limits as manual input, and only applies when the user chooses to use it. The circle creation flow was tightened. Description ideas now behave like description ideas, not a generic prompt box. The copy explains what the suggestion is based on, and applying it only fills the visible description field. The circle name placeholder is now neutral, so it does not imply a specific kind of community. Configuration Copilot suggestions now explain their basis more clearly and distinguish validation failures from a real, no changes needed, result. The review panel tells users which settings are being changed and which settings will stay unchanged, so AI output is easier to inspect before applying anything. The source-grounded Ask AI flow now sits closer to the actual discussion message. Instead of keeping a persistent page-level panel, users can open Ask AI from a message action and see the answer inline with that part of the discussion. The answer is still generated from accessible sources and is not sent automatically. Guardian findings and Style Advisor entries were pulled back from the regular user settings surface, while the underlying APIs and tests remain in place. AI settings panels were separated more cleanly in circle settings, and several review-related issues were fixed around contribution proof records and growth advisor access. The commits added or updated focused frontend and API tests for inline text suggestions, configuration suggestions, source-grounded asking, Guardian roots, circle growth advice, Style Advisor visibility, and contribution assessment review. The main result is a cleaner, more reviewable AI layer with fewer confusing entry points.